So today we're going to be going into Target to see what they have in the Target dollar spot, the Bullseye section. So they have a lot of new items out and some of those spring items that we did see before. These are super cute. These are the first time I'm seeing these. So they have it in the gold and then they have it in the black. I like the black more. I think it'll fit in with a lot more of the home decor spaces. And then these containers right here, and they have a bigger one too. So you can get a set of 2 of these for $5, and you can store like small things in these. You can use it in the kitchen, the craft space, the pantry. These right here, so these have the little faux light in them, and they came in a pack of 2, so you get 2 of those. Thought those were cute. These right here, so these are hooks for the wall, and they have little pieces on the back so you can hang them on the wall. They were $5. And then these, at first I thought these were like for hanging your bananas or fruit in the kitchen. So it's $5. You get a set of 2. And then after I read the tag, I figured out what they were for. So they're not for your bananas in the kitchen, even though you may can use them for that. They are shepherd hooks. So you put those little lanterns on it. So I'm assuming these lanterns come in black too, because they had the hooks in gold and in black. I thought those were really pretty, something different, you know. These right here, these chalkboard signs, I think these are cute. So a pack of 10 for $5. These would be great for like weddings and different things like that. These, still trying to figure out what these are. I really wish they would put a title on them. The window clings for Easter, so they have these still, and these are only $1. These right here, I wish I would have saw these before, because we just did a photo shoot and ordered backdrops, but they have them in the gold, you could see right there, and they are $5. They have them in silver, and they are $5. And then they have the balloon arch, so you get everything in the kit. So you'll get the arch part and the balloons to do it for $5. And they had those in both the colors too. These right here, we see them, so they're coming out with these for every season, holiday. They are so cute. So $5, and these are the ones that they have for spring. I think these are super pretty, so you might want to grab those. These metal signs, so okay, so they had the happy place one. I'm thinking these are like for your garden. Welcome right here, they had that for $5, and they come with the screws. And then this one obviously is for the garden because it says welcome to the garden. These right here, they have these in another color too if you can find them. So they have these in white, but they had them in blue today. These cute little decor pieces right here, so they have the little farm fresh eggs. This is the first time I've seen these right here, so they're both for $3. You've seen these before, but they are super cute. So they have the little chickens. They have other little shapes too if you can find them, like, you know, farm animal type shapes. These were $5. First time seeing these, so pretty. So they're little like ceramic birds, and they were $3. They had that in a pretty green. The blue one was chipped, but still super cute. So you might want to grab those if you see those, and just be careful with them. This juicer is not new, but I do love it for $3. It's clear, it'll fit in nice on your counter. This little chicken right here, $5 for that. So they have a lot of ceramic pieces. This bookshelf decor, so $3, and they have that in different shapes too. These little like wire mesh looking baskets, so they had those in those 2 colors, and they were $5. This little basket right here, we've seen that one. That one is $5. This, first time seeing this one, so it's like a plastic little picture right here. I love the little speckle print on it. $5 for that one. These, we've seen these before, but they had them out again, so $5 for these. And they have the tall one and then the shorter one that's a little bigger, so you can grab both of those. These I think are cute, so if you're looking for a different kind of tiered tray, you might want to grab that. So that's $5, and it's just something different. The bunny, still love this bunny tier tray. They had sold out, and then they came back to my Target, so those are $5. Laundry room decor, so you can get those little things. These, I still think these are from fall, but they keep popping back up, so $3 for those. And then this little decor, like wall decor right there, for $3. These baskets with the little lining in them, so $5 for that. And then we see these a lot, but they came back out with more, so $5. You know, they come in different patterns, so you can see, you can get them solid, you can get them the two-tone, you can get them with different details. This one, I think it's bigger than those, and it was $5 too. So, you know, bigger, you store more stuff in it, so you can grab all of those and get, you know, organized. This little egg, still think is super cute for Easter, because you can put something in there and make a really cute piece of decor for $5. Maybe some of those little figurine pieces. The ankle weights, they have other ones too, but this is what they had left. So $5 for the ankle weights. The foam roller, $5 for that. Those come in different colors. Thought these were super cute. So they're cheese markers. So if you're doing a little charcuterie board, you can have these and put them back on the ring when you're done with them, and it's $3. And you can write the different type cheeses out. But that was super cute. These little ceramic bird nest, bird houses. So they had that one right there, and that one was $5. This little planter, at first I thought it was a garbage can, and then I noticed it was a planter for $5. But it might be cute to do a little DIY and make a cute little lampshade. Just something different. You could paint it two-tone. It'd be super cute. This is another little birdhouse for $5. So they had a ton of cute little things. These right here, we have seen these before. So these are the floral stems, and they came for $3. You can grab those. Super cute. Calendars. Earlier in the year, they had more of these, but they have that one right there for $3. Then, of course, they come up with a bunch of cute little candles. So these are $3, and then they have the little thing where you can write on top. So I'm thinking these are more for Mother's Day, these right here. And then, of course, the throw blankets. These are really lightweight. So these would be more for decor, but they are super cute. So $5 for that one, $5 for that one. They mostly are $5, but like I said, they are real lightweight. They came in solids, they came in prints, so you can grab those. This one I thought it was some kind of texture, but it was like that faux moss all over it. This is the larger container that goes into small containers, and this is like nice size. You can fit like spaghetti in here, different type pastas, $5. This comes in another color too, but they had the brown one left at my Target. These bookends, again, they come in other colors too, but they had the white ones there for $5. These cute little garden sets for the kids. So they had a few different types. So they had this one right here for $5. They had this little one that looked like a little tool kit, and then it had like the little tools in it. So just a lot of fun little play kits. And you could toss these into a Easter basket too. Cute little mushroom. This macrame plant holder, again, they had this in other colors, but this is the one that they had left at my dollar spot for $5. Okay, so these terrarium rocks, so $3, but you can get these, especially these white rocks, at Dollar Tree for $1.25, but they are bigger though, so I don't know what size you need in your terrarium. These little vases right here, so they like shaped like a little boot, and they're cute for $3, not bad. Cute little decor mushroom, $3, not bad at all. This is not really focused, but it's like a string light. So it lights up and it has a little clip so you can put your little photos on it. Super cute. And then, of course, a ton of these little like woodland creatures. So they start at like $3 for the smaller ones, and they have, little farm animals. And then the bigger ones are going to be $5. So you can make you a whole little set with these. These baskets I thought were cute because of the little tassel, the trim. So $5 for those. And if you don't like the white trim, you get it in just a regular rope that goes along with it for the same $5. This one I think could be great for hanging because it has the hook on just one side, or you could just leave it, sitting up. But $5 for that. This one, another cute one I thought was cute. So it has a little top. It needed a little reshaping. And I'm going to say this comes in different colors too. These tulips, love them, love them, love them. It's not focused right now, but they are so pretty. And they're only $1. This little wreath right here with the bunny shape, and then more of these little decor pieces, starting at $3. And they have like their little faux moss look to it. So based on the size, it's going to be between $3 and $5. These cute little figurines. So they have the little bunnies in different shapes, like different poses, really. So you can grab those. These carrots, super cute. So they have them in print. They have just the regular orange, and these only $3. These glasses, love these glasses because they just are so pretty in a little detail. And of course, I love that Target puts them together in sets for only $5. Not bad. This little plant stand thing, $5. Think that is super, super, super cute. Then they have these little ears. We've seen these before, but they're $1, not bad at all. This little sun visor. Okay, so they have the sun visor, but they have the actual hat too, if you can find it. So they both for $5 if you can find them. This little egg holder thing right there for $3, and that comes in another color too. The little cups, $3, so you can get those. And the cute thing about these, they are stackable. So you can, stack these up real nice where they are on the bottom. More cute little candles. So they have the little watermelon one, $3. I forgot what scent this one is. this set of socks. So you get all three socks, all three. So it's like $1 a piece. For all those sets. Cute little tote bags. I love the little garden like stuff. So $3 for that print, $3 for this one right here. And then they have just a solid white one. Maybe you can DIY or you just want a solid one. So that one is $3. And then the matching type dish towels. So you can get that set of 2 there for $5. So you can make a cute little basket, a little gift basket. This right here, of course, the garden tools, we saw those before, so $5. I like that these come in different colors, so you know you can get what you like. They have these right here, so all the little different garden tools for the different gardening things you need, they have, and they're about $5 for these. And even you can mix and match the colors because they go pretty together too. The little things, the pads for when you kneel outside in the garden, $5 for these. And they had these two at my Target, the Bullseye section. And then the aprons with the gloves, so the 3 pieces are the 2 gloves and the apron, you get that for $5. And they had those 2 prints left. At my Target, these little cute figurines, so they're gold and the little ducks, so $5. And then the throw pillows, so they always, you know, come up with different throw pillows, and these are $5 a piece. This one is my favorite because it has the little bunny on the back. So if you want, head over to Target Dollar Spot and pick up some stuff.